Happy Friday and welcome back to my channel. Or for those tuning in for the first time, welcome. I am bringing you guys a Kroger haul today. I actually filmed it last night and it ended up being a $7 moneymaker, so I'm super stoked to share it with y'all. But before I get into that, make sure you guys are subscribed and that you have the notification bell on so that way you don't miss any of my hauls. Also, y'all, I'm doing a giveaway in this video, so please make sure to stay tuned for that. And one last thing. I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about a cashback app that I have been using to make my deals just a little bit more sweet. And I am excited to talk to you guys about Flues. Okay, y'all, I'm going to talk a little bit about Flues. And what Flues essentially is an app where you can earn cash back on your in-store and online purchases. I have been using Flues for the past few weeks now and absolutely love it. I wish I had known about it sooner. It is so simple and so easy, y'all, to earn cash back. And the best part is you can earn up to 35% cash back at select retailers. That still blows my mind that they're able to offer 35% cash back. I love it. And y'all, if you sign up using my code TXFrugalFinds, you will get 35% off vouchers to use at the stores. And y'all, I'm going to show y'all in the next few clips how easy it is to redeem the gift cards and use them at checkout. I'm not going to go all the way through the process just because I don't want anyone to see my barcodes or my codes or anything like that. But I'm going to show you how you can redeem the gift cards at a store like Kroger and as well as CVS. So stay tuned in these clips for that. The first way is to manually type in the name of the retailer that you're shopping in-store or online at. And then once you've scanned all your coupons and have your final total, you'll enter that right here and then select continue. Once you hit continue, it'll give you the gift card to use to pay at checkout. The second way to redeem a gift card is to select the retailer and then the amount of the gift card that you want, hit continue, and scan the gift card at checkout for payment. The best way to maximize your cash back is to use the 3 vouchers that you will automatically receive when you use my code TXFrugalFinds at signup. These vouchers are for 35% back, so say you buy a $10 gift card at CVS, you'll get back $3.50. All right, y'all, now that I talked about Flues, let me show you what I got at Kroger.
All right, y'all, let's start off this haul with potentially a huge moneymaker deal. These Mentos sugar-free gum 50 count packs are on sale at the store for 99 cents. Regular $3.29, and they should also be buy one get one free this week as well. So I'm gonna grab 6, making 3 free, and then I'm gonna upload my receipt to the app Swagbucks, where I'm gonna get back 1,000 Swagbucks, which is $10 for buying 3. And the reason I'm buying 6 instead of 4 is that Swagbucks system is a little funky and won't necessarily pick it up, so I'm hoping it at least sees that there are 3 on my receipt from the buy one get one free, and that way I will have no problem getting my credit for it. So I should pay right under $3 and get back 10, making it almost a $7 moneymaker deal. And the reason I said potentially a huge moneymaker is because the app says these are still $3.29 and not 99 cents, so I'm hoping they ring up 99 cents at the register. Here is another large moneymaker deal that I'm gonna do this week. I'm gonna grab 2 of these Chobani Oatmeal that are on sale too for $7. There is a $1.50 digital coupon on the app, so I'm gonna pay $5.50 out of pocket for both. Then I'm gonna upload my receipt to Ibotta. We're gonna get back $3.99. I'm also going to get back $3.99 from Kroger Cashback, and I'm gonna get back $1.50 from Checkout 51, and that's gonna make both cartons of these free plus a $3.98 moneymaker. Next, we're gonna do 2 different core bar deals. For the first one, we're gonna grab 2 of these coconut chocolate chip core bars for $2.50. When you buy 2 on Ibotta, they will give you $2.49, and the matching offer is also on Kroger Cashback as well. So that's gonna make each bar just 1 penny. And then for the next deal, we're gonna grab 1 of these peanut butter chocolate core bars for $2.99. We're gonna get back $1.25 on Ibotta for buying 1. And again, the matching offer is on Kroger Cashback for an additional $1.25. So that's gonna make 1 of these bars just 49 cents. Let me show you guys how I'm going to grab 2 of these Chobani Probiotic daily yogurt drinks for completely free plus make $1. I'm gonna grab 2. They are on sale for $5.49. I have a $2 off 2 savings for you digital coupon in the Kroger app. Please keep in mind that not everyone will have that coupon. They do vary by account. So I'm gonna pay $4.49 for each one out of pocket. But then I'm gonna upload my receipt to Ibotta, where I'm gonna get back $4.99 for buying 2 on there. And I'm also gonna get back $4.99 on Kroger Cash Back for buying 2. So that's gonna make each pack a 50-cent moneymaker, so overall a $1 moneymaker. Here is a super simple deal that anyone can do. Grab 1 pack of these Poise Daily Liners for $3.49, and then clip the $3 off 1 digital coupon in the Kroger app. You're gonna pay just 49 cents out of pocket for 1 pack of these liners. The digital coupon is expiring soon, so if you wanna do this deal, make sure you do it as soon as possible. And finally, y'all, I don't know if this is gonna apply to everyone, but let me get off the floor here and show you. So I thought I would find these next to the other Poise Daily Liners, but I did not, and I almost just walked away. But then I saw them with all of these panty liners and these different brands. So like I said, not sure if it'll apply to every store, but just kind of look around if you don't see them basically where you think they should be, if that makes sense. It is a new month, so that means we can redo old Swag Bucks offers. This Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cinnadust offer is still on there, and I know it says that it's 2 for $5, but if you look at the expiration date for the sale, ended on the 31st, so I'm pretty sure they're gonna ring up $2.99. So in that case, we're gonna grab 2 at $2.99. Then we're gonna upload our receipt to Swag Bucks, where we'll get back $6 for buying 2, and that is going to make both bottles free. Next, let's grab 1 can of rice coffee for just 49 cents. How you're gonna do that, you're gonna buy 1 can at $2.99, upload your receipt to Ibotta and get back $1. You'll get back $1 on Kroger Cash Back, and then you're gonna text your receipt to Aisle, where they'll give you 50 cents per can, and that'll make it just 49 cents after all rebates. All right, y'all, I'm all finished up with this haul. I know it doesn't look like much, probably because most of it is Mentos gum, but I have 17 items here. I'm gonna go ahead and head to checkout. I will be paying with my Flu's gift card, so I can get a little bit of cash back from that. I will probably pay with, or just do my Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cinnadust separate, as well as the Mentos. I just like to make it a little bit easier for Swag Bucks to try to find those rebates, so I'm going to do those in a separate transaction. All right, praying for a smooth checkout, and here we go.
Okay, y'all, before I go into the details of the haul, I want to tell you guys what the giveaway is, and it is a $50 Kroger gift card courtesy of Flu's. And all you have to do to enter the giveaway, it's super simple, is download Flu's, which I'll include the link in my description below for you to sign up. And when you sign up, use my code TXFrugalFinds. That's all you have to do. Download the app, enter my code TXFrugalFinds, and you're entered into the giveaway. So good luck to all of those participating. All right, y'all, I'm gonna review how my transaction went in store and how it went uploading my receipt to all of the rebate apps. The first thing were the coconut core bars. They did not ring up for $2.50 like the sign says. I didn't feel like arguing. They rang up $2.99. It was still a great price, so I got those. And then the next thing was the Mentos. They did ring up for 99 cents, but they did not ring up BOGO. Again, I just guess I was not in the mood to have to make changes to my transaction, so I just left it because it was going to still be a decent moneymaker with Swag Bucks. And speaking of that, I am still waiting on Swag Bucks to review my receipt for the Mentos. It went through for the Cinnadust, no problem, but I am still waiting on it to be reviewed for the Mentos. So waiting on that $10. Other than that, I got my money back quickly from checkout 51. Aisle has my receipt. My Ibotta offers have already gone through. I even got a 50-cent bonus for buying 2 different Chobani products. So that was a nice little addition to the haul. So other than that, it went decently smooth. I mean, that's usually at Kroger with no paper coupons. It usually goes pretty smooth. So I am pleased with it, y'all. And like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, it was a $7 moneymaker. But that's all I have for y'all this week in my Kroger haul. Make sure you guys enter that giveaway. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.